again today with a new topic. What are the signs that he is interested in me or he is serious about me? So the first sign is that if you are texting him, if suppose you have texted him today and he is taking forever to reply you back, it means that he is not interested in you. You know, in today's era, in today's world, when we are so glued up to our phones, when we are so busy with our phones, we are always checking out on our WhatsApp, on our Insta, on our messages, and my significant other or that person who's so important for me, I have texted him and he's thinking that he'll reply me at his own whims and fancy. It means that he is not that serious about me. It is a first red flag which we need to see, which we need to understand that we are not on the same page at the same time. Now, the second sign is that when what you are saying is not important for him, means whatever is happening between you two is what is important for the other person, what is important for him, and you have to agree to what he says. If he is not giving importance to your opinion, to your feedback, to your decision, means there is some disconnect between both of you, and we need to be aware, we need to take our guards up, we need to understand what way we are heading towards. The third sign, again a very important sign, is that when he is calling you only when he wants you, maybe in the night, or maybe when he wants to have a good night, or when he's, he had a real good time with his friends and now he has got some time, so he's calling you or checking on you. Otherwise he is not that serious about you, he's not that calling you or asking you. So it is only when his requirement becomes primary is we need to understand that we are not there in that relationship. Dating or relationship is about two people and both the people have got equal say there. It is about the ratio of investment that both of you are doing in that relationship. It is always that you find that you are always giving in the messages to him, or you are trying to reach out to him and he is not replying you back with the same wavelength, with the same frequency. So then it is high time that we need to check ourselves that are we in a serious thing, or we need to stop here. Because the other person, when you have texted him, he also needs to get that wow factor, he also needs to get that euphoria, he needs to feel that I have to reply her back quickly, he needs to be checking out on the phone for your message. If that is not happening, it means there is somewhere some disconnect between the both of you. Another important sign here is, the fourth sign is that when this person, when you think that even bringing the topic about where are we heading to in this relationship, if you are going to bring this topic in front of him, he is going to be upset. You are scared to bring that topic also. Means that he is not that serious about you, means there is something which is definitely wrong in this relationship, something which is unhealthy which is going on between you two, because the respect has to be equal. And the more wiser we become, the more our experiences make us better, makes us help in evolving ourselves, they kind of make us a different person altogether. So when we are finding that we are stuck somewhere and we are unable to move, means this person is not really serious about me, if you can't even bring up this topic in front of him. The fifth sign is when you see that the promises which he is making to you, he is not really serious about them. You get that feeling that what he is promising you, he doesn't really mean it. If you are getting this sign, if you are feeling it that he doesn't mean what he is saying or about his promises also, it means he is not that serious about you. It is high time you need to know that he doesn't mean it. You probably are not that important factor or important person in his life. Another most important sign is that when you are not exclusive for him, he's chatting to other people, other girls, or he's talking to other people, and he's more closer to them rather than you, and in for you he's exclusive. In that scenario, there is again a very big mismatch, and he is not that serious about you, and he's not going to go ahead further. Probably he's just leaving you in that, hanging you around. He's investing only bare minimum in you, that you are always there. He knows that you are going to be there to take care of him. Maybe one or two traits of yours is what attracts him, or maybe he thinks that you are there, you can talk to. He takes you for granted that whenever he wants, he can call you and you will be available for him. One more point I would like to clarify here is, when you see that he's not replying you back on your text, but you see him right there liking your pictures on Insta, or you see him liking your pictures on FB, you need to run up the hill, girl. It means he doesn't have time to reply to your messages, but he wants to attach with you on social media. Social media is a little one step ahead or away from a relationship. If you two are closer, then you would like to reply back on the message. We all go through these different stages in our life. We all make different decisions in our life, but we don't need to be upset about what we did. At times we wonder and we think, if I had known this earlier, I would not have done it. But please understand, at that very moment when you decided, or when you took this decision, this was as per your experiences during that time. Today you are having a different input. Today you are having a guidance. Today you are seeing that you have a choice to make in life. We keep on revolving, we keep on working, we keep on going ahead without even realizing that we always have a choice in life. And that choice is made by you.